Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys Wi-Fi setting in your Tecno phone. So in this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone device. Guys you want to connect your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone, so guys you can connect, and guys now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi in your Tecno phone. In this video guys we are going to talk about it. So friends, first of all guys we will on our phone setting to connect Wi-Fi. So as you can see this as setting, so as you can see your Wi-Fi setting, so I tap here, and as you can on and off your Wi-Fi from here. So as you can see guys this Wi-Fi network, so as you can see in your phone device. So as I have guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi, so I will tap here to connect, and guys now I will enter password here. So friends, I will enter password, and as you can see guys you want to check your password, so as you can check from here, and guys tap here connect option guys, you can see tap here then connect. So after 4 and 5 seconds guys you can see Wi-Fi will connect it. So as you can see guys Wi-Fi has connected, and guys you can use your Wi-Fi network to watch movies, YouTube channel like that guys you can. So friends, you can use guys, you don't have guys your mobile data, so guys you can connect Wi-Fi, then guys you can use your Wi-Fi guys, you can use guys YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp like that app guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Wi-Fi network in Technophone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.